Customers generally select Lynx because they are posed with a serious challenge of how do we actually use multi-core server class hardware in a mission critical system. A lot of the solutions of yesteryear are really built around single core architectures that date back to the 90s and really addressing multi-core to the highest level of safety and security and being able to manage mixed workloads, mixed criticality, mixed security, you name it, is really important. And this idea of modularity and code reuse is essential to the strategy that the DoD has going forward. And we believe that the Mosaic platform allows that kind of modularity and portability that they're looking for.